Hello everyone, this is Dr. Mihir Shah once again with another video. In this video, we are going to solve university question paper of the year December 2022. Okay, for all the TYBMS Sem 5 student under the subject direct tax. Now, this is the first part of the video series based on solving December 2022 direct tax paper. So let us see which are the sums that are simple under direct tax and which all can easily learn within moments. Okay, so let us see under in this paper what was the very first sum that you all were supposed to solve. Okay, now question number two, which was a 15 mark, it was said that Mr. Sanjay, an Indian citizen, furnishes you with the following information of his income earned during the previous year 22-23, and then they had given you a list of all his incomes, and thereafter it is said that compute his total income for the assessment year 23-24, assuming if he is a resident, an ordinary resident, resident but not an ordinary resident, and a non-resident. Now, this is from the topic based on scope of total income. This will always be there in your paper. Okay. So now just one simple rule that you need to remember, and based on that you can solve any kind of sum. Okay. So within, I can guarantee you, within 5 minutes you will be able to learn this entire topic. First, let me show you some rules that you need to cover up. Okay, rule for scope of total income. Okay, now similar, you'll have the particulars, you have resident but an ordinary resident, resident but not an ordinary, and non-resident. Now remember, if income is earned, received or arise from India, if there is India anywhere mentioned, everyone will pay tax. If income is arising outside India but it has been controlled, managed or set up in India, then only the first two people will have to pay the tax. And if it's a foreign income, only the first guy will have to pay the tax. Dividend from Indian company received in India. Now, previously this was an exempted income, but now it has come under the purview of taxation. Everyone will pay tax. Okay. Next, we have exemptions. Agriculture income from India, no one pays tax, and past untaxed profit which has been brought forward, no one will pay tax. That's it. Income earned in India, everyone pays. Control from India, two people. Foreign income, the first person. Indian dividend from Indian company, everyone pays. Agriculture from India, no one pays, and untaxed profit, no one pays. That's it. Based on this, we can solve any kind of sum based on scope of total income. So let us see that question again. Okay, I've written all this. I've just noted on the columns will be particulars where we note down all the particulars which they are given us. ROR, that is resident and ordinary resident. NROR is resident but not an ordinary, and NR non-resident. Okay, let us see how we solve. Number one, professional fees received in India. It is receiving in India. Everyone pays tax. So 10,000 in all the columns. Next, income earned in India. That's it. If it is earned in India, everyone needs to pay tax. Dividend on shares of Indian company received in India, everyone needs to pay tax. Salary earned and received in France is foreign income, only the first person will need to pay the tax. Past profit, no one needs to pay tax. Income from business in USA, but it is being controlled from India. If it is controlled from India, the first two people will need to pay the tax. Okay, only the first two people, not the last person. Okay, so only 1 lakh, 1 lakh. Yeah, the last person need not pay the tax. Next, rent from property in Delhi. Delhi is in India, everyone pays the tax. Profit from business in Delhi, managed from Mumbai, both are in India, everyone pays tax. Interest from bank account in India is in India, everyone pays the tax. That's it. Once you have noted down those values, you just need to now total it up. Okay. So the total values will be, 10,000, 15, 25, 35, 1 lakh, 75, 150, 30. It's come to 4 lakh 50, 3 lakh 5, 4 lakh 5, and this is 3 lakh 5,000. Okay. And not 4 lakh 5,000. That's it. The sum was that simple for 15 marks. You just have to remember those three rules. If income is arising in India, everyone will pay tax. Control from India, first two people. Foreign income, first person. Untaxed profit, past untaxed profit, no one pays tax. Agriculture from India, no one pays tax. Dividend from Indian company, everyone pays tax if the dividend is received in India. Okay, and then you just need to total it up and you will be able to complete this entire sum. Okay, now this question is always there in the question paper. Very simple to solve. Easily you all can get that 15 odd marks in this. Okay, it can come for 8 marks also, it can even come for 15 marks. Okay, for the past years it have always come for 15 marks. So this is one short question which is going to be there in your paper and which you should get complete, total on whatever it is. If it is a 15 mark, you should get 15 on 15. Okay. So I hope everyone have understood this one sum that we have solved in this particular video. Chalo, with that, we will be ending this video here. I hope you all have understood.